Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2015 GMC Sierra SLT Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number X477A. 87,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold the Sierra brand new, white diamond in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5, leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space. Rear defrost as well as power sliding rear window. Matching fiberglass cap. The Sierra is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera as well as parking sensors. Trailering package. The backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Easy lift tailgate. And bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This SLT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, power adjustable pedals, and a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting and integrated trailer brake control. Cruise control, advanced safety features like forward collision alert. Heated leather wrapped steering wheel, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control, automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming, navigation, and that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual-zone automatic temperature control with heated as well as cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. All the power outlets you'll need. Lots of storage space in the center console. And dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener and power sliding window control. Under the hood, this here has a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon and a city average of 22 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Sierra, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.